Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, no discussion or no explanation needed, but it's definitely been a minute. But I'm back with another organizing video because, you know, I'm just trying to get my life over here. Today we are going to be focusing on this cabinet down here, which is under the kitchen sink. And as you can see, it's a mess. That's what we're going to be doing today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is 𝚾𝚁𝙶𝙰𝙽. Make sure you press that subscribe button, like this video up, and let's just get right into it. Now, first of all, I bought some containers from TJ Maxx. I'm looking at it right now. And at first, I was going to actually use these for the fridge because that needs to be organized as well. But I'm going to go ahead and utilize those for under the sink because I'm tired of looking at it. I'm tired of trying to find things, so come with me on this journey. I got some things from TJ Maxx because my plan was to use these containers for our refrigerator because it needs some serious organizing as well, but my husband feels as if containers take up more space. So I'm just gonna go ahead and utilize them for under here because clearly it's a mess. I think I have some more containers. So here are some more containers. I probably have more containers than I need, but at this point, who cares? Don't mind the Uggs. My feet stay cold, and yeah. So I'm just gonna take everything out from under here. That took forever. So this is what it looks like now. It's empty, of course. I will say the most annoying things about under here is this. It's in the way, and of course the pipes. And I'm trying to figure out if I want to put like contact paper on the bottom. I still have the contact paper from when I did under the sink in the bathroom. By the way, if you haven't checked that video out, I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. Make sure you check that out as well. But yeah, we look like hoarders. So I'm just gonna figure out how I want to do this real quick. So I have this this marble paper down here, but I have a slight dilemma. If you guys can see, it's not long enough, and I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to even like give myself the extra work to cut. I don't think I want to do that, so I will revisit covering the bottom another time. I don't have time. I organized this like last year sometime while my husband was gone, and I thought I was doing something. If I can find the before and after, I will show you guys what it looked like before and how I was able to organize it. But now it's not working for me. I even bought this big old container from IKEA. But again, this situation is just in the way, so. Okay, so can I just say that this part, trying to position these containers, was probably the most frustrating and irritating thing ever, just because I honestly feel like our sink space, like under the sink, is just weird. And let's be honest, the pipes and that other big situation there, that's like the garbage disposal thingy-majig. I don't know what you call it. But yeah, it's just abnormally sized if you ask me, and this was just so annoying. So again, I'm probably gonna figure out another way to change this around, but for the time being I did figure it out. But I just wanted to reiterate how annoyed I was trying to do all this. Okay.
So as you can see, I struggle trying to figure out the best layout for this. I think I figured it out. I think. So now the fun part is going through all these products and putting them where they need to be. Jeez, okay. Let's get started.
This is where I'm at now. Like, it still looks a little crowded. I mean, it kind of is. I feel like we have the smallest sink in the world, but it looks way better than it did before. I'm pretty sure at some point I'm gonna update this, but put trash bags right here up in the front. So right here you'll see like all of our sponges. That lets me know I don't need to buy anymore. And then back there, like the cloths. Yeah, I mean, it looks better than it did before. I think this is easier to deal with than when I was dealing with before, because that white tub I had to like reach into. That's all I have for you guys. I knew this was going to be a quick video, which is why I wanted to go ahead and do this now. Oh, let me show you what's left over. So miscellaneous items that I need to figure out where to put. And I'm probably going to throw away all these trash bags because we don't really use them. I mean, grocery bags, because we don't really use them like that. But like, this needs to go in the bucket with the mop stuff. This is like our vacuum parts. I don't know where that's going. This is OxyClean. I'm gonna put that with the laundry stuff. I've already used these, but they go on your feet for after you mopped the floor. And then all of these things, I got one extra container. All these things need to go in the bathroom. So I think for the most part, I did pretty good. If anyone has any suggestions, you know, I'm always all ears, because I'm still trying to figure out how to organize a lot of the space that we have in here, since we are staying longer than I was expecting, but it's all good. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumb it up, subscribe if you haven't already, and until the next time, I will see you guys later.